Did you know that the average cost of a round-trip flight in the world is $400? That's a lot of money, especially if you love to travel and explore new places. But what if I told you that there are ways to find cheap flights that can save you up to 90% on airfare? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In fact, there are many websites that offer amazing deals on flights that most people don't know about. These websites can help you find the best prices, discounts, airfares, and hidden flights that can make your travel dreams come true. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 best cheap flights websites that no one talks about. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let's get started. Number 10. Flight Finder. If you want to compare flights from hundreds of sites and find the best deals, then Flight Finder is the website for you. You can search by destination, date, budget, and more. You can also get tips and advice on how to save money on airfare. Flight Finder is a great tool for finding cheap flights to anywhere in the world. Number 9. Airfare Watchdog. Airfare Watchdog is a website that tracks and alerts you of the best flight deals and discounts. You can sign up for email or text notifications and get personalized recommendations. You can also browse the best fares from your home airport or any other city. Airfare Watchdog is a reliable source for finding the lowest prices on flights. Number 8. Momondo. Momondo is a website that searches and compares flights from thousands of travel sites and airlines. You can find the cheapest, fastest, and best flights for your trip. You can also explore the world with their interactive map and discover new destinations. Momondo is a powerful and user-friendly website for finding cheap flights. Number 7. Skiplagged. Skiplagged is a website that exploits a loophole in airline pricing and helps you find hidden cheap flights. You can book flights that have layovers in your destination and skip the last leg of the trip. You can also use their app to track your flights and get alerts. Skiplagged is a smart and sneaky way to save money on flights. Number 6. Hopper. Hopper is a website that uses data and AI to predict and analyze flight prices. You can get advice on when to book, when to fly, and where to go. You can also book flights directly on their app and get price drop notifications. Hopper is a helpful and convenient website for finding the best time to buy flights. Number 5. Google Flights. Google Flights is a website that lets you search and book flights with Google's powerful search engine. You can compare prices, dates, airlines, and destinations with ease. You can also use their Explore feature to find the best places to travel based on your interests and budget. Google Flights is a simple and fast website for finding cheap flights. Number 4. Scott's Cheap Flights. Scott's Cheap Flights is a website that sends you email alerts of the best flight deals and airfares. You can join their free or premium membership and get access to amazing deals to your favorite destinations. You can also customize your preferences and choose the regions and airports you want to fly from and to. Scott's Cheap Flights is a popular and trusted website for finding cheap flights. Number 3. Kiwi.com. Kiwi.com is a website that combines flights from different airlines and creates unique itineraries. You can save money and time by booking flights that are not normally offered by other sites. You can also use their guarantee feature to get covered in case of flight delays, cancellations, or changes. Kiwi.com is a creative and flexible website for finding cheap flights. Number 2. Skyscanner. Skyscanner is a website that searches and compares flights from millions of options and finds you the best prices. You can search by cheapest month, everywhere, or specific dates and destinations. You can also use their app to track prices and get alerts. Skyscanner is a comprehensive and easy-to-use website for finding cheap flights. Number 1. Kayak. And finally, the number 1 best cheap flights website that no one talks about is Kayak. Kayak is a website that searches and compares flights from hundreds of airlines and travel sites. You can find the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals in one place. You can also use their flexible dates, price forecast, and hacker fares features to optimize your travel plans. Kayak is a versatile and efficient website for finding cheap flights. So these are the top 10 best cheap flights websites that no one talks about. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.